Hey everyone, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So welcome to my House to Home series, and what this series is going to be about, you're going to be seeing me working different parts of my new house and trying to get it organized. On July the 7th, 60 days since we moved in, you may have seen my garage tour. Let's just say when it all gets done, it's going to be fabulous. So anyway, today we are working in this part of the house. They call this like the mud room, but I'm turning it into, my office. And as you can see, I've already got everything, arranged. Where you see my desk and these two stands, they actually were over there against the wall, and turning it around, I actually had that stand in the corner, and I had this this way. So last evening I didn't film it. I just decided to put my desk over here. That way I can utilize this wall for more space. If I could choose to hang a TV here while I'm working, or little inspiration quotes, corkboard, etc. We are not going to do that today in the video, but that is the purpose of moving this day. So today we're going to work on trying to declutter these stands right here and try to get some of my fabulous equipment set up, my silhouette machine here on this black stand. Now this black stand I did purchase from Home Depot a couple months ago, and I think it was only 20 bucks. And it's really a nice stand. Right now I just have my printer, and you guys probably remember my printer that I bought last year from Walmart. So like I said, I am straightening up today. Now I just bought this new Serta office chair, in gray. Tammy Thompson from Tammy Thompson TVMG. I finally got a chair, sis. And it was $69.99 at Sam's. I have been pricing chairs, and I didn't want to go over, $100. And I was going to Sam's like every day, and they finally marked it down. It was originally $89.99. And then they marked it down to $69.99, so that was a $20 savings. I have the new chair put in here, and that's about it. So I hope you enjoy this video. I am going to put you in time lapse because that saves space also on my camera. Hey y'all, so I am taking a brief break. I had to run out to the Dollar Tree real quick, and I went and picked up, I needed some pens. I found these cute little 2-drawer desk organization, like for staplers, paper clips, so forth. I needed some batteries to go with my new find that I found at Home Goods. I believe this was only $5. Stainless steel, very nice. So I'm gonna hang this here on the wall that I showed you previous. And some nice gel pens. And then lastly, when I walked in, you know, they have all the new school supplies that are out. Because, child, they trying to get these kids back to school in September or August. And look what I found. They have these pretty paper organizers in the blue, and they had it in like that seafoam green. So I got 2 of these real quick, and they are, I believe, stackables. Yep, you can stack them like such. And I got them in also a pretty coral, like a peach pink color. They're iridescent as well. So I just wanted to briefly get on and show y'all. I'm not sure what color scheme I'm going for in my office. I always love like the pink and the gold, or this blue, because I do have the blue sign for the laundry. So I'm not sure yet. So that's why I only got 2 of these, because I already got my gold paper trays. So I figured, maybe just mix and match and combine both of the colors, because I do like these colors, and to make it like beachy in this area. In my mind, I'm always on a tropical island. But you see how that just worked? You have your in, your out, your bills, and whatever. And this is going to be nice right here next to my printer. And I'm going to show you real quick. That was pretty cool. And then I can use my gold ones somewhere else. I don't have them right now to show you because they are somewhere in the garage. So now that I'm back from the Dollar Tree, let's get back to cleaning. Hey y'all, so I got to thinking while I was putting this office together, let me refresh this bookshelf. Now y'all been following, you know the history with me about this bookshelf. I was only able to move one here. The other one was really damaged, so we threw that away. I had painted it with the chalk paint, like that gray. But today I ran over to Wally World and I found this pretty winter mauve satin paint. It's a paint and a primer, because I'm thinking I want the room to be like coastal in here. I'm really not a coastal gal, but I am a beachy girl. So I figured I would do like that mauve pink, and then to coordinate with these stackable trays, do my accents in the baby blue, and of course some glam. Alright, so this is the color that it looks like with all the mixing. And it's not too dark. It's a really nice light mauve color, as it says on the front of the can. I want it to be like a strong pink. Alright, so I'm going to get it inside here, and then we're going to get painting. I'll be back. So after I painted the shelf, you remember this piece that I found about 2 years ago for $15 thrifting. I had painted it the chalk paint gray, and I had it in my bedroom, but for some reason I said, well, let me bring it out here. I think it will complete this space. So this is what it's looking like. And then I just bought my craft table in from the garage because I'm working on some stuff because it's too hot to work out there right now, but that won't be there on a permanent basis. So let's just move a little bit closer. I'm going to take the table out and I'll be right back. See y'all in another house to home tour and refresh and all that goodness. Y'all stay blessed, and as I always say, ciao. If it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Bye bye.